Good morning. How are you today? Today we will talk about a new kind of animals. Are you ready? Okay, let's go to know the farm animals. This is the third kind of animals. The farm animals. The farm animals are the animals that live on the farm and give us useful things, and the farmer takes care of them. Let's go to the farm and tell me what can you see on the farm. On the farm we can see cow. This is cow. Cow. And this horse. Horse. And we can see goat. 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 And this duck. Duck. And we can see on the farm hen. Hen. And this ox. Ox. And we can see too the sheep. Sheep. Goodbye.